Making some good time now, honey.
Making some good time now.
Some good time now. Oh, honey, that seat may need some adjustment.
I got it.
Well, let me check.
I got it.
Well, check your mirrors. You want to make sure the accident's caused everything.
Honey, your head.
Why do you want to? I need to get the mileage, dear.
I can't see.
Okay. All right. Time for a little grounding family vacation update. All right. So, let's see. We're here, and we started. Fascinating. Oh, honey. Slow down. There might be speed traps ahead. Keep it at 50, 55 tops.
Sweetheart, I've got this.
Okay. Well, let's see. Last year we averaged approximately 2 miles less per gallon. Same distance, same weather conditions. Do the math, and that works out to... Wow! A savings of almost 3 cents a mile. Oh, I'm going to have to go check the old guidebooks, but I think we're on our way to a family record. Oh, honey, there's an RV trying to get by us.
Now I can't see.
Well, no, just, that's okay, I got it. Oh, honey, you got to take care of it. Just don't let him in.
That's so rude.
Well, that's okay, just don't slow down.
Well, you said 55 tops.
Honey, that you got to punch it, honey, because he's making his move. You got to punch it.
No.
I'm not feeling the punch, honey. In fact, I think you're slowing down. You need some punch.
I am not. He's speeding up.
No, you're slowing down.
I am not.
Oh, punch it, honey. You gotta punch it. Tell her, kids.
Yeah, Mom, punch it. Punch it, Mom, punch it. Punch it, Mom, punch it.
There's somebody up ahead.
Go show him what you got. Show him you won't back down.
This doesn't feel right.
Oh, that's why you gotta punch it, sweetie. Go down. Oh.
Just stop it.
Oh, why did you just punch it?
Just stop it. There's no way to stop a thing like that.
Yeah.
He was right on top of me.
Great. Now we're stuck for who knows how long.
Oh, you just do your job and leave me be.
Why is he slowing down? He's slowing down on purpose.
He is not.
Oh.
Hey, give it back.
Hey. You, who wants to get in trouble back there? Because I'm in no mood. No mood.
It only happened once.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
It came to be known as the Honking Incident.
What is he doing? What in the heck is he doing?
He's not doing anything.
That's right, nothing. He's doing nothing. Nothing is what he's doing. Well, I'm doing something. He was just...
Don't!
They think they own the road, honey. They think they can...
Don't!
Mom,
What?
I gotta go.
Fine. I'm gonna pull over anyway. Your father apparently needs to drive.
Dad got in trouble. Dad got in trouble.
What are you looking at? Now you go inside there and you check on your mother and come back out here. And tell her that you love her. And tell her that you're sorry. Now, then come back out and tell me how she's doing. Just tell me how it looks. Tell me how it looks.